Fafsa stands for the Free Application for Federal Student Aid.
The Higher Education Act of 1965 was signed into United States law on November 8, 1965, as part of President Lyndon Johnson's Great Society domestic agenda. This law was intended to strengthen the educational resources of our colleges and universities and to provide financial assistance for students in post-secondary and higher education. It increased the federal money given to universities, created scholarships, and gave low-interest loans for students.
Financial aid can be defined as any grant or scholarship, loan or paid employment offered to help a student meet his or her college expenses.
There are different factors that can affect your financial aid.
Parent and student assets are amongst the many things that can have an effect on your financial aid. Money and property owned by parents or students can be counted as an asset.
This includes savings accounts, checking accounts, and cash.
20% of a child's assets may be counted in federal aid calculations, while 5.64% of a parent's unprotected assets may be counted in applications.
Asset protection is protecting your wealth from anyone or anything that can take your money.
A dependent child does not have any asset protection, but parents and independent students do.
Specific assets that can affect financial aid significantly are assets held by others.
Assets intended to pay for college that are owned by others, such as grandparents, are not reported on FAFSA.
This means what somebody may have thought was a generous gift could significantly impact the amount of aid the student is eligible for.
In order to avoid this, these assets should be transferred to the parents. This is so they don't have to report assets as belonging to the child.
Some qualifications for financial aid include being a U.S. citizen or an eligible non-citizen, which means receiving a green card, having a valid social security number, and having a diploma or a GED.
Criminal convictions can cause for limited aid.
Do you qualify for financial aid?